Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can see how many contacts you have or the total contacts you have on your iPhone. So if you want to see your total contacts, you have to click on your contact icon, sorry, the dial icon which is beside the Safari, this one. If you click on this, you can see your total contact list here. Okay, so now if you want to see how much contacts you have, just go to bottom, very bottom, and you can see it's 51 contacts in my iPhone. Okay, so if you want to see the total contacts, just go to bottom list of your contact list, and you can see the total contacts or how many contacts on your iPhone. Okay guys, so this is how you can see how many contacts or total contacts on iPhone. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.